All right, what up, y'all? So, did these lights a couple years ago. This middle one, for whatever reason, went out. So we replaced them sometime last year. We did them, I think, 2 years ago, 2020. So we did them in 2020. Replaced this one, same with that one, in 2021. This one is going back out. I'm not sure what the deal is with these small rings, but it'll need to be replaced. But the thing is, these are RGB, and all of the lights they sell now are RGBW. So, if we replace this one, we'll have to buy basically a whole new kit to replace all of the rings. So, customer ended up getting some completely new headlights. Then I put up a picture, a video, or something on top of this one, but we replaced the headlights with I think we did the C8 style, or might have been C7 style with these. I don't remember. I did like three of them back to back, so I think this one did C7 style headlights after. But he doesn't want these anymore. Doesn't really want to buy more rings to replace all of them. So these are up for sale. So what you could do, if anybody wanted to buy these, they could either not use the rings at all and just have a fresh set of headlights if you got a red vet and you need some headlights and fog lights. They could just ride around and have this one playing funny, or they could unplug it. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Definitely can't. Hold on. All right. So yeah, next option, just have the fog lights on this ring and have that one unhooked, or they could buy a whole new set of rings. If you buy all new rings, you still have the control box, which works perfectly. You still have the Bluetooth controller, which works perfectly. I'm using my phone to change the colors right now. So you can see it does all the chasing patterns. It's on like slow pattern right now. So probably should have sped it up for this, but you get the idea. So it does regular color shift, like solid one color the whole way through, or you can do all the different patterns. It's like 200 or something patterns. But yeah, these are up for sale, so we can get them out. Uh, I put a link. I'm gonna try to post them on eBay. That way, it's a little easier for people to buy them if they wanted to buy them. And yeah, so if you know somebody with a C6 that just needs some headlights or kind of want to jump into something, these will be posted. Just gonna have to let them go as a full set. So can't just sell the fogs by themselves and nothing like that. But yeah, headlights, brand new lenses. These were put on when we did the Halo, so you got fresh lenses. No need to worry about that. These are brand new fog light housings, so we got new housings when we did all of this. HIDs in the fog lights, still factory. I believe these are HIDs in here, so factory HIDs in the headlights. All the bulbs come with it. Uh, yeah, so if you know somebody with a vet looking for some headlights, send them this way so we can get this stuff out of the garage.